In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Ctrl+F not working in Google Sheets. If you've ever been frustrated by not being able to find text in your Google Sheets using the usual shortcut, you're not alone. This can happen for a few reasons, but not to worry. I'll guide you through some simple solutions to get it working again. First, let's give the straightforward approach a try. Click any cell in your Google Sheet. What can happen sometimes is that your browser or the menu might be the active element, not the spreadsheet itself. This can cause the Ctrl+F function to not work as you'd expect. So by clicking on any cell, we are ensuring that the sheet is in focus. Now press Ctrl and F on your keyboard again and see if that solves the problem. Often, this quick action is all you need to get the function back up and running. If clicking on a cell and trying again didn't do the trick, the next step is to refresh your browser page. This can solve a variety of minor glitches, including the one we're dealing with here. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and R for a quick refresh. Alternatively, you can click the reload button on your browser toolbar for the same effect. Give it a moment to load back up and try pressing Ctrl+F one more time. This simple action often clears up the issue as it refreshes the active elements on the page. If the problem persists, our last option is to use the Find and Replace feature manually from the menu. Navigate to the top of your Google Sheets window. Click on Edit, scroll down and select Find and Replace. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box directly. Interestingly, sometimes when Ctrl+F is unresponsive, Ctrl+H might still work. Once the dialog box opens, you can input the text you are searching for and also replace it if needed. This feature does exactly what Ctrl+F does, along with additional options to replace, in case you need that functionality. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should be able to regain the functionality of the search feature in Google Sheets. Just to recap, always make sure the Google Sheet itself is in focus by clicking a cell. Try refreshing your page, and if needed, utilize the Find and Replace tool. By following this guide, you should be able to navigate this minor inconvenience with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you solve the issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.